ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವೆನ್, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ what I'm talking about. Okay, so quickly first I'll write down the questions. So e type of questions alli first statements irutte. Okay, so here I'll give my first statement 1. Okay, first nanu diagram draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, then it's better to understand. So okay, this is the diagram. Okay, so now I'll give you the question. So e diagram alli how many shapes are used?
Ma'am, 3 shapes.
Yeah, and what are the shapes? Shape name?
Circle.
Okay.
Circle. Triangle.
Correct.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Correct. Circle, triangle, rectangle. 3 shapes. Now question. I'll first statements. I'll write down the statements. First statement is triangle represents creative people. Triangle represents creative people. Statement 2, rectangle represents lazy people. Next, statement 3, which is the other shape? Circle. Okay, so circle represents intelligent people. Okay, so idu nimge passage tara. Okay, so illi one diagram ide, there are 3 statements. So based on this nimge different type of MCQ questions irutte. You should answer by looking at it. I'll give you an example. Okay, first MCQ question is, who are creative and lazy people? Okay, and the options are, option A is A, option B is E and F, option C is F, option D is C. Okay, so itara question irutte. Now I'll explain one by one. So first, ಇಲ್ಲಿ triangle represents creative people, means imagine entire triangle alli there are creative people. Okay, creative. So triangle alli all creative people are standing. Next, in rectangle all lazy people are standing. In circle all intelligent people are standing. Okay, but there is no rule alva that if a person is creative then that person cannot be intelligent, or if a person is intelligent that person cannot be lazy. Atara rule enu illa. There can be a combination. Some person can be creative but lazy, some person can be intelligent but lazy. Some people can be all three. So ಆ ಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಚ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಅನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ABCDEF and G. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ A. This section ನಾನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ವಾ, that section, can you understand? Only the shaded section A. ಆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ what does that section represent? It represents only creative people, because ಬೇರೆ any other shape it is not overlapping there. Okay, full triangle is for creative people, but A section ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ that is only creative. Okay, but now come to the next section. Just a minute. Okay, so we'll come to the question now. The question is, who are creative and lazy? So creative and lazy andre, creative is for triangle, lazy is for rectangle. So ನೀವು diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ you should look at section where triangle and rectangle is overlapping. ಅಂದ್ರೆ triangle and rectangle is on one another. So can you tell me which section it is? ಇವಾಗ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ A section ಅಲ್ಲಿ only triangle ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ no other shape is overlapping. Okay, section C ನೋಡಿ, section C is only lazy people. Am I correct? Section C, this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Only lazy, because ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ shape ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. This is only rectangle. Look at section F. ಇದು F section ಅಲ್ಲಿ which shapes are overlapping? Check this. Section F ಅಲ್ಲಿ which two shapes are there? ಇವಾಗ F is falling in triangle. It is also there in rectangle. Am I correct? Idu check ಮಾಡಿ the diagram. It is there in triangle, also in rectangle. Both shapes alli F ಇದೆ. So what does that section indicate? A is for creative. I'm sorry. Triangle is for creative. Rectangle is for lazy. So F alli both triangle and rectangle ide. So what does that F indicate? F indicates people who are creative and lazy. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, look at section E. Section E ಅಲ್ಲಿ which shapes are there? Check ಮಾಡಿ, just check and tell me which shapes are falling in section E. F ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is triangle and rectangle. What about E?
Triangle and circle.
Rectangle, is rectangle there? Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all three shapes ide. Correct. Triangle ide, circle ide, rectangle is also there. So what does that mean? Section E, our section alli there are people who are creative and lazy and intelligent. Okay, correct? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now question nodi, who are creative and lazy people? So you tell me which is the correct answer. Okay, we'll go one by one nodana. What is option A? Is section A. Is it option A? Is option A correct?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Next, what about option D? Option D is C. Is C correct?
Yes, ma'am.
C andre I meant section C. Option D, is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No. Now tell me, either B irbeku or it is C. So ನೀವು think ಮಾಡಿ, look at the question, just think and tell me which is the correct answer. Is it option B or option C?
Ma'am, option B.
Yes, option B is correct. Because F alli it is correct. F means creative and lazy. But section E alli, even in section E, there are people who are creative and lazy. Yes, they are also intelligent, but they are also creative and lazy. Am I correct? So that is why it is E and F. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, suppose ivaga if my question is like this, who are creative and lazy people only? Only creative and lazy. Now what will be the correct option?
Ma'am, D.
Why D?
Ma'am, option A.
C. Yes, section C andre section F, I'm sorry, section F, option C will be the correct answer. Only means that person, if you take that person, he or she should be creative and lazy. Only these two options irbeku. Intelligent it should not be there, not intelligent, only creative and lazy. So adu which section? That is section F. Okay, because section E ಅಲ್ಲಿ even intelligent people are there. Correct? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so this one word, it will make a difference. That one word answer change agutte. Okay, that is why you should read the question properly. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
if there is no only just creative and lazy people means E and F barutte. But if I am asking for only creative and lazy people, then it is only F section, because illi I'm sorry, illi there are both creative and lazy. Okay, so did you understand everyone the first question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll give the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
The second question is okay, idu same thing. Nanu previously, as I said, I'll just read out the question. So, who are creative and lazy but not intelligent? Creative and lazy irbeku but not intelligent. Which section is it? F, correct. Same thing. Only if I write only, or if I frame question like this, creative and lazy but not intelligent, it is the same thing. So adu F section alli irutte. Okay, so yeah, that is fine. Now next question is, who are intelligent and creative? Intelligent and creative, option A, B, or options I'll write it as 1 2 3. Why no need to get confused. Option 1 is B, option 2 is F, option 3 is A, option 4 is D. I want you to try, you try ಮಾಡಿ. Question is intelligent and creative.
Option 4.
Yes.
Option 4.
Correct.
Option 4.
D. Yes, because D alli nodi circle ide and triangle ide. So a circle is for intelligent, triangle is for creative. That's why D section, it is creative and intelligent. Correct. Option D is correct. Next, third question. If I give one more, option 5, D and E. Ivaga, then what will be the correct answer? Suppose if I add one more option, option 5, D and E. Avaga, what will be the correct option?
Option 5.
Correct. Okay, so adu difference. Illi option idu D and D anta kottilla. That's why you will mark it as option 4. Okay, so if this option is there, then this will be the correct answer. Okay. Third question is, who are intelligent and lazy? Option 1 is G, option 2 is D, option 3 is A, and option 4 is F.
G.
Correct. G, option 1. Intelligent andre circle, lazy means rectangle. So diagram alli look for that section where circle and triangle is overlapping. So that is in G. Illi in the given options, G is the correct answer. Okay, last question is, who are intelligent, lazy, and creative? For this, I don't think option is required. What is the correct answer? Intelligent, lazy, and creative. All three.
E.
Yes, E. This one. Because illi nodi, illi triangle is there. It is a part of triangle. It is a part of circle. It is a part of rectangle also. That is why all three options barutte. It is E section alli creative people are there, intelligent people are there, and lazy people are also there. So it is option E. So idu artha aita question format ee tara irutte. Ee tara you will have one diagram like this. Some statements will be given, and based on that nimge what do you say, different questions you will have. So did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I have one more question, but I think it will take a lot of time. So I think it's better if we continue tomorrow. Okay, adu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lengthy question. ಇವಾಗ start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು it won't get over by 7 o'clock. So if you're all okay with it, we will continue it tomorrow. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then, for today that's it. We'll meet
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the next class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.